Section 11. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is M. M for monkey. I want you to find the letter M on page 11 in your book. Page 11 looks like this. We're going to work with the sound M. Say the sound and words after me. M, M, M for man. M for match. Let's read it again. M for man. M for match. We are now going to practice writing the sound M. Put your finger on the first M. I'm going to show you how to write the sound M. We're working in the tummy line only. We start at the line, we go all the way down to the bottom line, back up, 1 round and 2 rounds. We jump twice, 2 hops, and the hops are the same size. Take your finger and please trace over the M the same way as the pencil. I'm now going to show you again. Straight down, back up, 1 hop, 2 hops, and your lines are nice and straight. Please take your crayon and trace over the M. Now that we have traced over the first M, let's go to the second letter. Put your finger on the second M. I'm going to show you. Start at the top in the middle line, down, 1 hop, 2 hops. Please trace the M with your finger. Now take a crayon and write the letter M. Now that you have written the second letter M, let's go to the last M. Put your finger on the last M. I'm going to show you. Down, back up, 1 hop, 2 hops. Please trace with your finger. Now trace over with your crayon. Let's read the M again. M for man. M for match. Now that you have practiced writing the M, see if you can write it on your own. Remember, it's always in the tummy line. If you have finished writing the M, you can color in the monkey. M for monkey. The monkey likes to swing in the trees. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 12.